apparently HMD is preparing a brand new smartphone called the HMD Thunder Pro. There are no official release date and price yet, but its top features are leaked. Anyway, based on the leaked details, including its render, the device has this really simple design. At the back of the phone is a pill-shaped camera module that houses what appear to be dual cameras, and a flash is sitting right between both cameras. And based on the leaked details, the device is expected to have a 6.67-inch OLED panel with a full HD plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. As I said earlier, the device would have a dual rear camera setup. They consist of a 50MP main shooter with OIS support and an 8MP ultra wide angle lens. The front facing camera is 50MP. Battery life is going to be one of the strong selling points of this device because the phone packs a massive 6000 mAh battery and it supports 20 watts fast charging, which is kind of slow, especially when compared to competitors. You know, we've got lots of cheap devices that are shipping with 33 watts fast chargers at least. The phone is expected to be powered by the Unisoc T620 chipset. I don't know what's the deal with Nokia and Unisoc processors, guys. Paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. Other features of the device includes NFC support, a 3.5mm headphone jack, dual speakers, dual microphones, an IP65 rating for dust and splash resistance. The phone is also expected to ship with the Android 16 and may get multiple OS updates, but I don't know how HMD does their thing these days. But these are the top features of the HMD Thunder Pro, and if we were to speculate regarding price, I'd say the device would, you know, land somewhere around $180 to $250 globally. But I mean, this is an HMD device, it may even cost more. But anyway, these are the details that I have for you right now. If I could get more details about the device, I would definitely let you guys know. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.